voice or my no makeup face right now because I'm currently extremely sick, but I really wanted to do this hairstyle for you guys. This is inspired from Jennifer Winget's character in the show Behad, which airs on Sony TV. Now this is in no way in collaboration with Behad or Sony or Jennifer Winget, anyone. Just clearing that out because a lot of you have doubts about sponsored videos, and I always mention in my video if it's sponsored or not. So yeah, it's not related to any one of those. I'm doing this because so many of you were tagging me in Jennifer's photographs or sending me requests with her photographs of doing the hairstyle tutorial. Now her makeup is basically a no makeup look, so that's why I thought I would give it a skip because I have a couple of no makeup looks, so you can go ahead and see them. And I'm going to show you the basic inspirational photograph that I have used for this hairstyle tutorial. So she wears a lot of curly hairstyles in the show. I don't really personally watch that show, but yes, I saw a lot of photographs online and I saw that she wears a lot of curls, different types. So she has tight curls and she has a nice blowout, and sometimes she's like even having like snake curls from the top of her head. So I thought I should do this one because I personally am a fan of these sort of hairstyles. Bigger blowouts don't stay that well on me because of my haircut, which is like single length. Bigger blowouts tend to stay more on people who have less, and because obviously her haircut, her hair length and everything is extremely different from mine, there will be slight difference in how the curls look, but majorly I think I have gotten really close to how her hair looks, especially in this photograph. For this tutorial, I've also used the Coriolis Style Stick, which is like a really thin curling wand. Now, a lot of you wanted to know what I have used in my Madame Tussauds Get Ready With Me as well, and my curls stayed in place for 3 whole days. So this is what I actually use. It's the Style Stick by Coriolis. As I said, I will have a link in the bottom bar if you want to go ahead and check that out. So the thing is that it heats up really fast. It's super slim curling wand, and the fact that it has flatter ends is the best thing because you can also like voluminize your hair with it. Plus the fact that you can actually manipulate the curls without changing the wands is the best thing. The amount of hair that you pick up to curl on this wand will define the type of curl as well. So if you pick up like a really thin section, you're going to have an afro curl, and if you pick up a thicker section, you're going to have a nice wave. So that is the best thing ever. The only thing, however, which I miss in this style stick is the fact that it doesn't have like a digital temperature control. It only has an on and off button right here, which sort of slightly I am missing because I don't know how hot this is. But yes, it heats up really quickly and it cools down really quickly as well, and the swivel is good. Overall, I really like this tool. I really like this tool, and obviously the fact that it made my curls stay in place for 3 whole days is the biggest thing for me. So yeah, I am just blabbering now. So without any further ado, if you want to know how to get these gorgeous Jennifer Winget inspired curls, then please keep on watching. The tutorial is really easy. I'm starting off with washed and dried hair. I already applied heat protectant once they were damp, and I'm combing my hair out using a tangle teaser just to ensure I have no knots in my hair and they're like all tangle free and nice. After which I'm going to take a side parting because she has side parting. Choose whatever side that you prefer, and then I'm going to further split my hair into 2 halves, and then I'm going to take the flat side and put it under a section of my hair, the top section, to voluminize it and make it look more fluffy, so as to say. And I'm going to do the same on all over my head actually. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take about a 1-inch section and I'm going to wrap it around my curling iron like so in an outward curl. I'm going to start from my mid-length, so start whatever mid-length you have because she has like the top section of her hair straight and the bottom part curled out. So I'm starting from my mid-length, which actually fall pretty low, and hold it there for about 10 seconds. This is the boring part, but yeah, hold it about for 10 seconds, and once you let go, you will have a beautiful tight curl like this. I love how amazingly well it curls the hair. And then obviously I'm just going to repeat it. So I'm taking another 1-inch section, wrapping it around. You can obviously tie your hair in 2 halves, but I'm not really comfortable with that practice. So yeah, I'm just wrapping around my hair, waiting for 10 seconds, leaving it to get a beautiful curl. Basically doing this all over your hair until and unless you get something in 3, 2, 1 like this. Once you have something like this, just play around with your hair, open it up a bit so it's a bit more, natural, so as to say, and then you will have beautiful looking gorgeous curls just like Jennifer Winget. With that, I finished this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, let me know which other hair tutorials you guys would like to see. I am not that great with hair, but I still try, is what I'm saying, right? So yeah, I still keep on trying. So let me know if there's any other celebrity inspired or normal hairstyle that you guys would like to see, and I would love to do it for you guys. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Do not forget to follow me in all of my social medias. Links would be in the bottom bar, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.